Hi everyone, it's Muriel. Hey, I am here with a card tutorial I wanted to share. I was paper crafting and still am paper crafting with my sister over the iPad, and we are making Christmas cards, and she's pulled out a 6x6 paper pad that I thought I had, but I didn't. So I said, well, I'll just make some using another paper pad. So I pulled this one here out. This is My Mind's Eye. Oh, what fun. From many, many years ago, and I have one sheet left. So I'll probably do at least one more card. So let me show you what I've done so far. These are 4x4 by 5.5 inch cards. So here is one. Just one sheet of background paper, one sheet across, 2 elements, string, and a tag. Easy. I know you can do it. This is one that I made early in the day before she and I got on the phone, but this is some more cards using the strips from a paper collection. This is a sticker and a chipboard piece, and I just put some dimensional stars with some foam tape there. Here's one. I am using, again, more strips of paper, a large circle die, and I have this chipboard piece. Again, the chipboard piece that I'm using comes from the My Mind's Eye Holly Jolly chipboard set. I picked this up the other day at Ben Franklin, and I just used the word joy with a chipboard piece there, and then 3 of the dimensional foam adhesive stars that I cut out. Okay, and then one that she's on her 3rd one. I just finished my 3rd one. I'm on my 4th one, and that's the one I want to make with you guys. So it looks like this. Here is just a plain background paper. The tag, you can use any tag, but I happen to have these from Target Bullseye Spot, either last year or the year before. The paper, and then 2 chipboard elements. I think I'm going to have to put a star as I look at that right now. I think I'll have to put a star on the top of that tree, because, and this card is the same width practically as the paper. So I know I have a star. Let's see, there's one right there. Just going to put some glue on it, and then we can get to making this last card before I need to do some, I got to do my hair, I got to do my daughter's hair, I need to make up the bed, you know, all the stuff you do on Sundays. So I'm going to put that star right there. There we go. Okay, so let's get started making this card. So my card base is 5.5 by 4.25. Okay, just some white 110-pound cardstock. The only thing I did was used a stamp in the back, sign Miss Cooper's Coop, and put 21 for 2021, the year. So here's my paper. The base paper, the first layer, is 5.25 by 4. So it's just a 1/4 inch shorter than the card base. So let me get some glue. Loving my art glitter. Both of my bottles are like empty, but I am still squeezing them out like blood from a turnip. Okay. I need to order some more. I keep saying that and I forget all the time. So I'm going to stand up because some of the cards that I made today were so sideways, and that happens when I don't stand. I can't get a accurate angle all over. So let's press this down. Let's get the roller. Love using this tool. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is put the tag down, right? And I kind of thought I'd put the tag like right about there, because this piece will go over. And what I'm doing is where it says to and from and naughty list and all that, I'm totally covering that up. So the only thing you will see is North Pole delivery, do not open till Christmas. So I kind of gauged that I wanted it to be kind of like right there. So I'm just going to, let me make sure. Yeah, I'm just going to put this down here. Just put the last bit of my glue. Keep this straight here. this like here. Okay. Okay, same thing. Take that down. Then I am using some of my Heidi Swap, these glitter reinforcement holes. They've been in my stash for a while, so I'm definitely going to hit them with a little glue so that they don't come off. And I'm just going to put them around that circle there. And nothing's going to go in the circle, like twine or anything like that. Then I'm going to place my strip, which is 4 1/4 by 1 1/4 inch, and it goes the whole width of the card, right? But I'm just going to make sure that I cover up like so that it looks like that. My friend came over and fixed my light. Oh my God, it is so lit in here. I absolutely love it. Thank you if you're watching the video, Michael, which I know you're not, but thank you. You are a doll. So I'm going to put that on the left end. Make sure you can see it where it says do not open. And then hopefully it's not crooked. I think that side needs to go up some. Okay. So my sister's on the iPad and I turned her volume down because she's watching Dracula. She's just, we're totally different. We're cut from a different cloth because I will not be watching no Dracula. So like she Game of Thrones and all that stuff. That's just not me. So now that we got that down, I'm going to put some twine across here, and I'm going to do that little trick where you cut a little slit right in the crease. Oh, get off. The crease. I kind of want it right above this tip of the, I'm going to ballpark it because I can't really tell. But I'm just going to drive that in just a little. And of course I say that, and every time I do it, I poke, almost like poke a hole in it. So where's my twine? Here's my twine. I got some of the, you know, there's two kinds of twine. There's this red here, red and white, and then there's the thicker kind. I like the thinner kind. So I'm just going to pull off a bunch. That's my pokey tool. And I'm going to poke from the inside out the twine to go through the hole here. Oh my God, yeah, that just makes the hole even bigger. So I need to figure out how to really do that. I need to watch Jennifer McGuire, and see how she does it. So let's see, we'll go all the way out here, around, and then back in, which will make the hole bigger, right? Okay, let's poke that through. Hopefully I can grab it. Okay, there it is. Good job, Muriel. Okay, because what I want is one on the left and then one on the right. So let's cut this, say about that much there. I have so much of this twine, so if I cut too much, it really doesn't matter. So I'm just going to make sure this is lined up right above the strip. Now before I do that, I'm going to lay my elements down. And the two chipboard pieces that I have chosen are the cute word jolly. So let's go ahead and peel the paper off of this. I want to hurry up before my sister gives me a signal like, hey, she's new to paper crafting and she's doing very well. Okay, so I'm going to put jolly there. And with my cleaning today, before Mike came, I started doing some rearranging of my table here, and I found this heavyweight. Works perfect for stuff like that. The next one is this cute little candy, peppermint candy. Same thing, going to put some down here. And then we're going to just put that at an angle like that. Then I'm going to tie my bow, because I want the bow on the right side here. And one thing I don't like about this twine is it curls as you work with it. Okay, but that's not bad, because what I want is both strings hanging down like so. Okay, so let's pull this side in and then pull this side in. Okay. Now I'm going to snip some, one longer than the other. Then I'm going to get a glue dot and put it behind. Where is it at? There we go. Just so it will lay flat. Get up. Okay. Excuse me here. Okay, and I think that's it. I don't think I have anything else to add. I think that's the gist of it. Doesn't need a star on it. I think I may have a couple of small ones left in here. I just one day took a bunch of foam, yellow foam, and cut out stars because I knew I would use them one day. Okay, we can put like a star right here. And if I have another one, there's one. They're really goldy gold, yellowy gold, but they're cute still. And we'll put one there. And there you go. Cute little Christmas card. So excited about this. I hope you guys try it. Again, this is from the Oh What Fun 6x6 paper pad. Part of my, using the best of those, the last of those 6x6 cards, which I tend to do. So I hope you try some of these. I hope this was helpful for you. Do have a great day, you guys. It's another week next week, so hopefully I will still be inspired to come in here and do some more tutorials and some more Christmas projects. I think my next project I'm going to work on is a wine bag that the Posh Paper Lady showed. I think I want to try that. So have a great day, everyone. Bye now.